Hi, my name is Bhakti Patel. I am from Vapi, Gujarat and owner of Chocolicious. I have finished my graduation and masters in MBA with marketing and specialization. Baking has always been my passion, but it always took a back seat. And after finishing my masters, I went ahead and went to Mumbai for a job. But coming from a business family, owning my own business and having my own name was something which I wanted to always do. And that's how I converted my passion into a full-fledged business. And I'm proud to say that I have finished 12 years of in baking industry. And one of the largest achievements is that I was the first person to introduce cupcakes, photo-edible cakes and cheesecakes in Vapi. And recently I did a very huge, largest cake ever that was 30 kg plus for a renowned family business event. My goal is to spread my wings further beyond Vapi region. And lastly, I would like to thank Startup Vapi for the recognition. And I'm very humbled to receive this award and support from the community. Thank you.